Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I am here to share with you some items that will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I have put together these little kits, and what they are, they consist of 2 notebooks like this, and a label pack, sticker label pack, some number stickers. That's really cute. These are super cute right there. And a pack of envelopes, a stamp, and a washi tape. Now, each one will be random because the washi tapes are different and the stamps are different in each kit, and so are the envelopes. The design on the booklets are different as well, so they will be randomly chosen, but you will get 2 notebooks, the label stickers, the number stickers, a pack of envelope, a stamp, and uh, a washi tape in each set. So I only have 5 sets available. So if you would like one, please visit my Etsy shop. I will leave the link to my shop below. And as always, I thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Bye-bye.